Welcome back to Autoscope, the ultimate destination where cars aren't just reviewed, they're experienced. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated icons of German performance, the 2026 BMW M3. This isn't just a car, it's a heritage on wheels, a symbol of precision driving, and a perfect balance between daily usability and track-bred aggression. Now, let me hit you with a question: what happens when an icon like the BMW M3 evolves for 2026? Does it stick to tradition, or does it transform into something entirely new? The answer will leave enthusiasts thrilled, purists intrigued, and rivals nervous. Because the new M3 doesn't just continue the story, it rewrites the performance playbook. The 2026 BMW M3 is a blend of brutal power and futuristic refinement. Let's start with its design. BMW's controversial big kidney grilles from earlier models have now been reshaped into a sleeker, more aggressive design. The front end is bold yet elegant, with adaptive laser headlights that stretch across the sharper fascia. The body is sculpted for aerodynamics, with carbon fiber elements strategically placed to reduce weight and enhance airflow. From the muscular hood lines to the flared rear fenders, the M3 exudes dominance whether standing still or in motion. Move to the side profile, and you see the perfect mix of aggression and refinement. The wheel arches are wider, housing massive lightweight forged alloys, wrapped in performance Michelin rubber. The stance is lower, more planted, and unapologetically sporty. At the back, quad exhaust tips remind you that this machine breathes performance, while the carbon diffuser and a subtle lip spoiler ensure downforce at high speeds. It's not just design, it's function meeting format, its absolute peak. But the soul of any M3 has always been under the hood. For 2026, BMW has taken the legendary 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged inline-six and refined it to an entirely new level. With hybrid assistance derived from BMW's Formula One technology, the M3 now pushes out a jaw-dropping 570 horsepower and around 700 Nm of torque. The mild hybrid system doesn't just boost performance, it sharpens throttle response and fills in power gaps, making acceleration brutally smooth. 0 to 60 miles per hour, just 3.1 seconds. Top speed, electronically limited to 180 miles per hour, with the optional xDrive package unlocking even more. The sound, a symphony of turbo whistle, exhaust crackles, and electric whirring that combine into an orchestra of power every time you press the throttle. Now, let's talk about driving dynamics. The 2026 M3 isn't just fast in a straight linear, it's a scalpel on corners. The upgraded xDrive system allows you to switch between all-wheel drive security and rear-wheel drive madness at the push of a button. The adaptive suspension has been re-engineered to read the road 1000 times per second, adjusting damping and stiffness in real time. Whether you're carving mountain roads, attacking a racetrack, or simply commuting, the M3 adapts perfectly. It's raw yet controlled, brutal yet forgiving. The steering feel, BMW went back to the drawing board. The 2026 M3 delivers sharp, precise, and communicative steering feedback that makes you feel connected to the road like never before. Braking power is equally phenomenal, thanks to carbon ceramic brakes that can stop this beast from 150 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. Inside, the 2026 M3 blends luxury with motorsport DNA. Slide into the driver's seat and you're greeted with M-carbon bucket seats, designed for maximum comfort and track-level support. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, creating an atmosphere that screams performance yet feels luxurious. The curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. Gesture controls, advanced voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration make tech feel natural, not overwhelming. But the real magic is in the M-specific driving interface. Switch the steering wheel mounted red M buttons and you unleash different personalities of the car, whether you want comfort mode for relaxed drives, sport for aggressive response, or track mode for unfiltered adrenaline. BMW hasn't ignored sustainability either. The hybrid system not only boosts power but also improves efficiency, making the M3 surprisingly eco-conscious for a performance sedan. It even offers a short pure electric driving mode, perfect for city commutes where silence and zero emissions matter. Now let's imagine living with a 2026 M3. On weekdays, it's your refined luxury sedan with adaptive comfort, spacious rear seating, and cutting-edge driver assistance features like Level 3 autonomous driving. On weekends, it transforms into a track weapon, a machine that begs to be pushed, delivering smiles with every gear shift and every corner. The rivals: Mercedes-AMG C63 SE Performance, Audi RS5, and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. But here's the thing: the BMW M3 doesn't just compete, it defines the segment. The balance between daily usability, cutting-edge tech, and raw performance is unmatched. While some rivals lean heavily into electrification or pure brute force, the M3 strikes harmony between tradition and the future. For the purists, there's still a manual transmission option, keeping the driver's connection alive. For those who crave ultimate performance, the automatic with paddle shifters is lightning quick, making the M3 equally appealing to different kinds of enthusiasts. And this is where the 2026 M3 becomes more than just a car. It becomes an experience. It respects its past, embraces the present, and prepares for the future. BMW has managed to take a legendary formula and evolve it without losing its essence. So, after spending time with the 2026 BMW M3, one thing is clear: this is not just a car you drive, it's a car you feel. Every rev, every shift, every curve reminds you why the M3 badge carries so much weight in the automotive world. This has been Autoscope, bringing you the ultimate review of the 2026 BMW M3. If you love performance, if you love innovation, and if you love the thrill of driving, then the M3 is not just a car, it's your calling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoscope for more deep dives into the machines that move our world. Because here, we don't just talk cars, we live them. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passions alive. Title: 2026 BMW M3 Review, Next General Super Sedan. Autoscope Description: Experience the all-new 2026 BMW M3 A power, precision, and heritage reborn. From design to performance, tech to driving dynamics, Autoscope takes you on a 30-minute journey into BMW's ultimate driving machine. Hashtags: #BMW M3, #BMW 2026, #BM Review, #Autoscope, #Performance Cars.